Are you tired of feeling disrespected by the women in your life? Do you want to know why your woman doesn't respect you and how to change that? Well, you're in the right place because in this video, we're going to talk about why respect is so important in relationships and what you can do to earn it. But before we dive into today's topic, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and leave your comments below. Let me know if you've experienced a lack of respect from the women in your life and how it has affected your relationships. Now let me make one thing clear. We're not talking about being abusive or toxic towards women. That's never okay. What we're discussing here is how to gain a woman's respect in a healthy and positive way. Because let's face it, respect and attraction go hand in hand. You can't have one without the other. So, if you want to be attractive to women, you need to earn their respect first. And that's what we're going to cover in this video. So sit tight, take some notes, and get ready to learn the 6 things you can do to instantly gain a woman's respect. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number 7. Respect yourself and she will respect you. Self-respect is crucial if you want others to respect you. But most men fail to understand what it is and end up draining it from their personalities. This weakens their presence, making it hard for women to even notice them. You become a man when you respect yourself, and this means being honest with yourself and others, taking responsibility, working towards your future, and doing something meaningful with your life. When you are happy with yourself, you feel proud and respected, and this positive energy follows you around like a powerful force. Women will sense your power and respect you when you carry yourself with self-respect. However, if you spend your entire life faking your existence, no one will respect you. Make an impact in everything you do, and you will earn respect that lasts. Remember, respect yourself first, and others will follow suit. Number 6. Learn how to say no. When a woman senses that you lack self-respect, she may take advantage of you and lose respect for you. You need to learn to say no and set boundaries while still being respectful. It's essential to know who you are as a person and what your values are so that you can recognize when your partner is crossing them. Sacrifices and adjustments are a part of relationships, but you should not lose yourself in the process. If you don't respect yourself, your partner won't respect you either. A lack of self-worth is unattractive and can lead to cheating, which is why it's crucial to maintain your masculine energy in a relationship. If you compromise your values too much, you will lose yourself, and your partner will lose respect for you. So, it's essential to respect yourself if you want your partner to respect you. Number 5. Be real about your words and actions. Many men, in pursuit of the affections of the women they fancy, act pretentiously by doing things they don't enjoy and showering the woman with compliments as if she were a goddess. However, be aware that by acting like a simp, you will never earn any woman's respect, as she will recognize your true intentions, whether they be platonic or sexual. If you want her to respect you, you need to be honest with her at all times. If you say you'll pick her up from work, don't disappear with lame excuses. If you don't like eating certain things, tell her directly. If you like her, give her genuine compliments. If you don't want to agree with everything she says, express your thoughts. Number 4. Increase your value. You can increase your value in countless ways, but if you want women to admire and respect you, you need to increase your value first by understanding what women want and how they think, as well as what attracts and repels them. Women are attracted to and admire men who can lead, be a leader, and take charge of the events unfolding around them, as well as men who know how to control their lives and can make things happen. This will get you a ton of female admiration. The fact that women prefer men who exude confidence increases your worth as well. Know that you are powerful enough to defend her from any harm, and she will cling to you like a lovesick puppy and never leave your side until the end. Your passion for chasing purpose, your gentle and calm behavior, and your mysterious personality are all factors that can increase your value. Number 3. Stand up for yourself. Many men have low self-esteem because they are too nice to others. They don't defend their opinions and actions when confronted by others. However, being able to stand up for yourself not only makes you more independent, but also adds charm to your personality. How when you learn self-defense, you not only gain confidence and the respect of those around you, but you also begin to see yourself and function at a higher level, raising your sense of worth and attracting women who want to be with you in that capacity. Number 2. Avoid being needy. If you want women to treat you like a high-value man, you can't be needy. If you are needy, she will sense it and run the other way. Women want to be loved, but not just as a way to satisfy their sexual needs. You also shouldn't give her the impression that you're afraid of losing her. This will make her in charge, and you'll lose her respect. If you want respect from women, you need to set some rules for yourself. When you hold back and act in a cool way. Behavior. She won't think you're weak. Instead, she'll think you're with her because you care about her. You should keep a balance in everything you do with her and show her that you value her and her time with you. But you also have your own life. When she sees you as a man who can live on his own, she'll be attracted to you even before she knows you. Number 1. Chase your purpose. Aimless men are worthless. Women are attracted to men who are confident, protective, caring, and genuine, but they admire them even more when they have a purpose in life. Pursuing a purpose in life will increase personal magnetism, and women can't resist that. Men of purpose don't have to chase women, they just have to chase their purpose. When you focus on your purpose, women will chase you. Don't waste your time on meaningless pursuits. Instead, find your purpose and work towards it. Remember, women want a man of authority, and pursuing a purpose will help you become one. If you want to level up in life, click the subscribe button and show some love by hitting the like button. Until next time. And there you have it. 6 powerful ways to gain a woman's respect. Remember, respect is not something you demand, it's something you earn. It takes time, effort, and consistency to build. By respecting yourself, setting boundaries, being real with your words and actions, increasing your value, standing up for yourself, and avoiding neediness, you'll become the kind of man that women can't help but respect. So go ahead and put these tips into practice, and watch as your relationships transform before your eyes. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Listen, you can't hold me down. You can't hold me down. You can't hold me down.